Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Iyali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of Ree's recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law, Ifakat, with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Aga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazim's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazim's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters, Suna and Seiran. Number 9. Guzal Ashkalar Diyari. Deniz and Erhan, two young people from vastly different worlds, fall in love despite their different backgrounds. Deniz, a vibrant doctor from Izmir, becomes hopelessly entangled with Erhan, a hotelier from the mystical land of Cappadocia. As their romance blossoms, Deniz is introduced to Erhan's family, only to discover that their union is fraught with pearl. Erhan's powerful grandfather Hakim has already arranged his marriage to a woman from another prominent clan, and this clash of familial duty versus personal desires sets the stage of an explosive conflict. Number 8. Sia Kalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new family and life for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée Sivilai. Number 7. Kizil Gonjalar. Kizil Gonjalar tells the poignant story of Mariam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches. Fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband, Mariam must first find earn money as a career in the home of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs. Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 6. Ayazin Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Vowing to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of this situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones. Number 5. Uzak Sheher. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks her point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 4. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor. the beautiful young woman who once cared for Layla's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Layla's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems, paying for his mistake with his life. Left homeless and alone, Layla swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Number 3. Bir Geze Masalik, Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Kurshad Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector, determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Jan Fiza, the daughter of Kurshad, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshad, waiting for him to slip up. Mahir realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected events. Number 2. Sakla Beni, Mete and Nas, born into affluent and influential families, are bound together by a promise made during their childhood. This promise stems from a tragic incident where Nas' innocence was compromised and Mete's family offered unwavering support. As they grow older, their relationship becomes a roller coaster of heated arguments and passionate reconciliations. Mete, deeply committed to keeping the childhood promise, returns from studying abroad to marry Naz. However, fate intervenes when he crosses paths with Injila, Naz's loyal servant. Injila, who has found a family within Naz's household after a troubled past, accidentally becomes a pivotal figure in the unfolding drama. Number 1. Hudutsu Sevda. Hudutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his sweetheart Yasmin, but what Rizwan's son murder Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to keep him. Zainab's schoolgirl crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy. And there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.